Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are having a great day. All right, so you guys know I love making stuff out of foam board. So I bought these cute little birdhouses from Dollar Tree and I was like, what can I do with these? So we are gonna make a really cute centerpiece using the cute little birdhouses, foam board, and some flowers. So everything for this project is from Dollar Tree except for some of the paints that I'm gonna use, but you can totally find everything at your local Dollar Tree. I think this project turned out so cute. So if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and let's get into it. Now for this first part, I'm gonna make a little tray to put the birdhouses inside of. So you could either make these out of Jenga blocks, or I'm gonna test this out and see if I can make it with foam board. So what I'm doing is just setting the pieces there where I want them, and then I'm going to measure out around it with my ruler to see where I need to cut. So I'm going to make the bottom part the size that I need it to be, and then once I get that finished, I'm going to make two pieces the same length, and that's going to be the sides, and then I'm going to go on the other side, and this is going to be like the short little side pieces. So once you get all of those traced out, you can start cutting those out. I'm using my X-Acto knife, and then we can get to gluing them together. So you're going to have that bottom piece, the two long pieces, and then the two smaller pieces. And I'm just going to take my hot glue and start gluing the long pieces on there. And it's not going to really matter. I mean, you want them to be straight, but it's okay if they're not completely perfect because we are going to paint them in a little bit and that will cover up all the imperfections. So you're just going to go ahead and glue the long pieces on and then the short pieces, and then we will get to painting. Now for the paint, I'm using this brown paint and a little bit of black paint. They're both from Dollar Tree. So what I like to do is just add a little bit of the black to the brown, and then I add a little bit of water as well. So it's more like a stain, just so it's not as thick and it seems to cover a little bit easier. So you're going to want to do a couple coats of this brown on the entire little tray. And I'm also going to go in with that same brown paint and paint the roofs of the little birdhouses. So I bought two different birdhouses. It doesn't matter if they match. I kind of wanted two different ones. I didn't see any other styles, but on their website it does show that there's 4 different styles. So you guys can use whichever birdhouses you like. Next, I'm going to take some of my white chalk paint and mix this with a little bit of water as well, just to kind of make it a stain. I feel like if I don't mix it with water, it's a little too thick. So I'm also taking this little home sign. This I found at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to paint this all white, and then I'm going to paint the rest of the birdhouses white as well. And I did end up doing 2 coats just to make it more of like a brighter white color. Now I'm going to take some of that floral foam and I'm going to cut it very, very thin because it's going to go into the little tray, and I just want it to be there so that I can set the birdhouses on there so that they're not too low. I want them to stick up a little bit so you can see the entire house. So just kind of cut little pieces. It doesn't matter if they fit in there perfect because you're not going to see that. So I'm going to also cut a little piece for the center where I'm going to put the home sign. And then I'm going to take these flowers. I use these on a different centerpiece that I did I think it was last month I made this centerpiece, and I'm just going to reuse these flowers. So I ended up not using these white ones. I put them in and I didn't care for how it looked. So I'm only going to be using these peach colored ones. So I'm just going to kind of stick them throughout and just make sure all of the little foam green pieces are covered with the flowers. And this is how it turned out. I think it looks so cute. It's so whimsical, and I just love how this looks. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Check out some of these other videos to see some of my other DIYs, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!